My name is Michael Friesen. I'm the team leader of Solarlux's new coating department. The plant is fitted with the latest technology and operated as a clean room. We work at a height of 3 meters. In order to enable us to work at this height, we lower the crossbeams. The automatic spray pre-treatment is split into 4 zones: degreasing, rinsing, VE rinsing and passivating. During pre-treatment, we produce a certain amount of waste per cycle. We use a water treatment plant so that we don't have to throw this waste away. Most of it's then fed back into the system to be recycled. Naturally, our quality standards are very high. Guideline values are taken and pH values are measured. But we also send through test plates to measure coating quality. After pre-treatment, the profiles are sent to the powder coating plant. First, they are scanned for damage, how many parts there are, what type of parts, and how big they are. Of course, we can also recycle the lost powder using a cyclone cut-off switch. It uses the same principle as a modern vacuum cleaner. No baggage required. The quality is assessed at a quality check station. Here we can measure the coating thickness and gloss level and document them in the system immediately. Naturally, for me, the big advantage of doing our own coating is the flexibility of our processes and the fact that we perform our own quality checks. This allows us to make sure we are delivering top quality products to our customers.